Getting into game development can be a rather daunting task, especially if you have no prior experiences. When creating a game, you want to ask yourself, what kind of engine am I going to use? And you can of course create your own game engine, but creating one is going to be time consuming, resource consuming, and it's going to be really difficult. Lucky for us though, there's a bunch of professional grade game engines out there, which will allow us to create our game. One of these game engines is Unity, and in this video series, Unity 101, I'm going to teach you the basics of how to use Unity so you can create your own game. I will be going over the following topics: the editor, game objects, lights, materials and textures, as well as rigid bodies, and I will explain what they are, how to use them, when to use them, and why to use them. After these 5 topics have been covered, I will teach you how to create some common game systems that are used in many different games. I will teach you how to move a player, pick up objects, about object spawning, player health, enemies, and attacking. So if you want to learn how to use Unity, then follow along this video series and you'll be able to make your own game in no time. If you like this video, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more content like this and if you want to get updates of when new episode in this series comes out. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.